Hi, Simon here from Gold Coast Solar Power Solutions, and today we have a Fronius IG inverter. And if we have a look on the screen of this one, it's coming up test comm and state 401. Now test comm is meaning it's trying to test communications on the inverter, and the state 401 means there's a communication error between the IG control and the DC-DC board inside the inverter. So this is an internal fault of the inverter, which has got to be rectified. Now, if your inverter is coming up with test comm or state 401, the first thing to always try and do with any fault of an inverter is try and reboot the system. It might be a case where it just needs to be the power switched off and reboot, and it might fix the error. And so we'll just give that a go here. It's always important that you follow the shutdown procedure. So turn off the solar supply main switch, which is located in your switchboard, or if you've got one, an inverter AC isolator, which would be beside the inverter, which is right here in this case. And then we turn off the PV array DC isolator located at the inverter. That's on the other side over there. So we just throw that one off. And we'll let the inverter shut down completely, and then we'll attempt starting it up again. So that's gone totally blank now. We'll attempt to start it up. Now with the startup procedure, it doesn't matter which order you turn things on, as long as everything's turned back on. So inverter AC isolator's on, PV array DC isolator on, and we'll see how we go here. So we'll just let that try and start up for a few seconds there. And so if your inverter is coming up with a test comm error or the state 401 error, this one is still doing what looks of it. Still there on the screen, test comm and state 401. So if it's still under the warranty period, which for the Fronius inverters it's standard 5 years. So if it's still within that original 5 years from installation, then it will be something which is covered under warranty. So a couple of things we'll need to make any warranty claim, and that's the serial number of the inverter, which can be found right up here underneath the inverter. You can see that number there. So we'll need that, and we'll also need some proof of purchase as well, and with a date of actual installation. It could be the tax invoice, or it could be a certificate of compliance of electrical testing or something like that from the installer. And look, if it is outside of the warranty period, outside of that initial 5 years, then unfortunately it is an internal error in the inverter which will need to be rectified. Now you could try and get this error repaired, and in our opinion it usually tends to be a problem with the DC-DC board inside the inverter. But the thing is, you're throwing good money at the inverter, and you're throwing quite a bit of money at it as well, and you're still left with an inverter which is out of warranty, and so it could have another problem before long, and you've got to bite the bullet again and spend some more money. So in our opinion, it's usually best to just pay a bit more up front, get a good quality replacement inverter with a complete warranty, which will provide you peace of mind for a long time to come. So look, if you're on the Gold Coast or Southeast Queensland, Gold Coast Solar Power Solutions can certainly help out. Now if you're somewhere else around Australia where you need a good quality replacement inverter, we can certainly help you out there as well. So look, I hope this video has been helpful, and thanks for watching.